Welcome back to another episode of Short Cute Cooking. This is my try number 2 for the vegan baked macaroni and cheese without the almond milk. I'm finna taste the milk first because I did by 3 different times. This is soy. I'm not a real big milk drinker. Some allergic to regular milk. I'm just not a big milk drinker. Like once a year or once every couple of years, I'll probably eat a bowl of cereal with some of this stuff, but no. I don't know. That's actually good though. It's like a little hint of like sweetness, but nothing extremely overpowering like the almond milk. And that wasn't even vanilla almond milk. I had got original, and it still had like a really sweet taste to it. Let's try the rice. So I'm getting my water ready now to boil. I'm where did I set my salt? I might as well taste all 3 of these milks to see which one I want to use in this recipe. Now I do use sea salt, kosher salt. I don't use iodine salt. I've used it in years. Just so everybody know. And remember, we're not going to do the whole thing. We're only going to do half. We're not doing the whole bag. I don't consider it planning food. I call it experimenting, but a lot of people don't have a lot of money to play with. I don't either. But, okay, this one is a little more pale. It's a little waterier than this one. It tastes completely different from this. I don't know how real milk tastes, so I can't really explain to you how this I don't know how it's supposed to taste, but this one is not as sweet. It still has a little back kick of sweetness, but not as much as this, and this doesn't have as much as the almond. Okay? If that makes sense to you. So this is hemp. Now these I wouldn't mind cooking with these two. I like the texture of this one and the color because it looks exactly like milk looks. I should have had a milk drinker do this with me. I don't want them to get to liking the vegan stuff and I'm doing, practicing. See what they did to my cheese? They did it again. That's how I ran out of cheese the last time I couldn't do the video because they ate all the cheese. I don't mind them eating the cheese, but I'm like, geez, don't do it when I gotta do a video. They could at least, this is gonna be enough, but I'm just saying, they really went in this time. And this is the hemp milk. I cook with it, but this nasty. This tastes like baby milk smells. Like